Here we are looking at the ATWT daily chart. Had a bunch of questions coming on this one, and not surprising, as the triple zero charts are always very, I should say, popular because they really do contain quite a bit of potential in terms of kind of organic growth, meaning a little bit of momentum hits it, starts to pop up on people's radars, and then people just keep on piling in. So they're very few and far between in terms of triple zero stocks that actually start to move. But for those select few that are able to start to get moving, it doesn't really take too much for the message boards and social media and so forth to catch up. Where there's quite a bit of organic, growth for them. So here we have, like I said, ATWT, excuse me, and it fell down here into the dreaded 0001, 0002 channel, and I just call that dreaded because that's where you have a bunch of people buying on the bid, and then they simply put it right back on the ask and try to get their 100%. But it got up above there, and then today, really made a nice move. Profit takers did hit it. But the point and kind of moral of the story today was this one does seem to have the ability to get moving when volume does hit it. So what I would just want to do is go over the chart and kind of point out a couple things to keep an eye on in terms of what you want to see happen. So the first thing that sticks out is we have this key level here at 0003. And two reasons it's key. One, you can see simply the highs over here, and then also the 50-day simple moving average is valued at 0.0027. So just round that up, and we're at 0003. And that's really going to be the key level of support that you now want to see hold if this chart has any sort of chance of really, taking off and getting. Because think about it. If this is a genuine move, then this key level here shouldn't have any problem holding as support. So 0003 is going to be the key level of support to keep an eye on. And then in terms of resistance levels, I know the price did get up to 0006 today, but the level that's really sticking out in my mind is this 0005 level. Again, for two reasons. I'll first get this changed to red to represent resistance. But the first reason, again, if we go back and look through the history of the chart, you can see multiple times here the price try to get above there, so it's got a big history of acting as resistance. And then on top of that, we have the 200-day simple moving average, which is that orange line valued at 0051. So rounding down, and that corresponds right with that area too. So these are the two key levels to keep an eye on. If the price can get above here and start to close above 0005, then I think that's really where the organic momentum is going to take notice and hopefully get this thing moving. But if it can't maintain this 0003 level, then it's kind of one of those things where this was probably just basically a one-day wonder, and there's no other sort of genuine strength behind it. But I definitely want to get this one mapped out here, so if it does decide to go, people can at least have an idea of what to be looking for. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. And with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, strategies, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free, so I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. Also, leave your comments below. Let me know what you think about the chart and what your strategy is going forward. One more time, this was ATWT. Thanks for listening.